So today we're finishing our strawberry bed project, and we had the 2 strawberry beds, if you'll remember from a previous post. I built the strawberry beds, we got the dirt in there, I got them amended, and then I transplanted my strawberries from the towers into the beds. Well, we have to watch out for the birds and critters around here, so I'm going to show you what we did. We set up a little mini hoop house around the first one, and we've got bird netting on it. And you can't see it, honestly, from hardly any distance at all. You can't see it, and we're actually kind of hoping that we can sit around with a video camera and watch birds bounce off of it. But what we're going to do, I'm going to take you through the process step by step here with putting on the hoops and getting them solid, and then getting the bird netting around it and still making access so I can jump in there and do what I need to do. But we'll show you that. Okay, so my husband took this 1/2-inch PVC pipe. It's pretty flexible, perfect for our needs, really. He went in and cut it to 7-foot lengths. Our beds are 3 foot wide, and it makes a good hoop across there at that length. Right now, he is using these little brackets to put the 1/2-inch PVC on the side of the raised bed. And then once he gets them all the way down the line, then we'll go across and bend it over and put another one on the other side, and then we'll pick it up from there.
Hey everybody, okay. My lovely wife wants me to explain. We have them anchored down there with those brackets, just letting them stand up. We went ahead and put all of them up. And now we're on the other side. So the bending process is pretty easy. We'll just grab it. It does get kind of springy towards the bottom. I just use my foot to hold it in place. Put it on my 2-foot mark, and my boot will even hold the bracket in place. Just screw it in. Just use 1 1/4-inch wood screws. That'll give it plenty of grab without going all the way through your board, so when you go digging around in here, you don't cut your hand open.
Okay, so I was going to show you this step real quick. He got all the hoops bent over and tied in on the other side of the bed, and then the next step was we took these 2 8-foot 2x2s, and he used, let me get this down here, he used the same bracket to attach those across the center of the hoops, underneath the hoops, and that gives it some rigidity. And he's going to finish attaching those to all of the hoops down through here, and then the next step is bird netting.
Okay everybody, we're working on the netting now. This netting is, I want to say it's 100 feet long, but it's a 7-foot wide roll of netting. It's folded. That's why we cut the PVC to 7 feet, so we only had to use one piece to go all the way over. And all we're doing is I've rolled it 3 feet past on both sides. That is the height from the top of this to the bottom of that. When you're doing this, you want to make sure you have enough to cover the ends as well. All I'm doing is zip tying it to the PVC and stretch it along and make it tight, and then we'll wrap it over and zip tie it to the PVC going over. And we're going to make a door on that side for access for weeding and harvesting, so we'll do that in a video here in just a bit. Okay, so now that we've got our netting all on here, we've got it zip tied on the far side and zip tied up top. Keep that side tight. On this side, we still need to be able to get in there, so the simple little contraption that will make this work is just a couple more 2x2s, and we'll actually splice those together, and we will zip tie this netting at the bottom to this. That'll give it a little bit of weight and hold it down. And over here we can show you how it helps. Just like this, it's zip tied to the netting. It's spliced with a splice board right here, so a single person can grab this and lift up. And we have a couple screws here we can set this on top of, so we can work in here and pull weeds and harvest some delicious strawberries.